Learn daily use informal English words and phrases to speak like a native. Fair enough. Meaning, I understand and accept what you said. I can't come because I'm sick. Fair enough. I need more time to finish this. Fair enough. You betcha. Meaning, absolutely, of course. Can you help me, please? You betcha. Will you be there? You betcha. All set. Meaning, ready, prepared, or finished. Do you need more time? Nope, all set. I'm all set for the meeting. You rock. Meaning, you're awesome. You did a great job. Thanks for helping me, you rock. Thanks for fixing my computer, you rock. You made my day. Meaning, you made me very happy. Thanks for the surprise, you made my day. That compliment made my day. Take your pick. Meaning, choose what you want. We've got tea and coffee, take your pick. Any of these shirts, take your pick. Way to go. Meaning, great job. You passed the test, way to go. Way to go. You nailed it. Sweet. Meaning, great, awesome, perfect. We got front row tickets. Sweet. Sweet. We can leave work early today. Shoot. Meaning, oh no. Shoot. I forgot my keys. Shoot, the store's already closed. Oh no. Used to show surprise, worry, or disappointment. Oh no. I spilled my coffee. Oh no, I missed the bus. Heads up. Meaning, be careful or pay attention. Heads up. The floor's wet. Just a heads up. The boss is here. My bad. Meaning, my mistake. Sorry I was late, my bad. Oops, I sent the wrong file, my bad. It's on me. Meaning, I'll pay for it. Dinner's on me tonight. Don't worry, coffee's on me. Deal. Meaning, I agree. Deal. I'll take the blue one. Deal. That's exactly what I needed. Sleep on it. Meaning, think about it before deciding. I can't choose now, I'll sleep on it. Sleep on it and tell me tomorrow. Spill the beans. Meaning, tell the secret. Come on, spill the beans. Who told you? Spill the beans. No clue. Meaning, I don't know. Who took my pen? No clue. I have no clue where she went. I'm stuffed. Meaning, I've eaten too much, I'm full. That was a big lunch. I'm stuffed. No dessert for me, I'm stuffed. I'm freezing. Meaning, I'm very cold. Close the window, I'm freezing. It's freezing out there, wear a coat. I'm swamped. Meaning, I'm extremely busy. Can we meet today? Sorry, I'm swamped with work. Sorry, I'm swamped with work. I'd love to help, but I'm swamped right now.